out with that chick, that shit hit like a ram.
Man, I definitely got scammed, so I was driving. What's up, guys? We're back with another video. As you see by the title, we bringing more goodies to the cat. You ever had a day where you just, you know what I mean, was bored and spent some cheese? Well, that's what happened to me yesterday on Facebook Market. I ran into a good deal, right? So look what we got here. We got RGB headlights. I was going to do this to my car, but I was going to buy the kit and do it myself, but I just bought everything already wired up. And I got these for still a great price. And then we also grabbed a Redeye hood. My dog in the way, but we grabbed a Redeye hood. I was gonna go carbon, but I got a still on this. I couldn't pass it up. So, you know, I cut my seat belts for the Challenger seat, so I ordered red seat belts all around. We're gonna be slapping those in too. And we got one more thing.
Oh my God!
So I got a couple things to do today. I just want to show y'all my purchases. We're gonna be slapping the lights on tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna slap the Redeye hood on. That's only a quick 10 minutes. We gotta see how that look.
10 years later.
All right, thank you. We picking back up. We about to run the Harbor Freights. So my red seatbelts came in, and y'all know it's like a T50 to get them out. So we're gonna get a impact gun because I'm not about to be back there struggling. So we about to run the Harbor Freight, see what we can get for a deal, and see what's up. I'm gonna start bringing y'all along more, showing y'all more around and everything going on. As y'all see, we got the nice Redeye hood on there. It's dusty as hell, but it's on there. So today we're gonna do the seat belts, and then we're gonna do the lights. Back is a little harder. You need an extension to reach the joints. I already did these today, this morning. I did that one. So we're about to do the back, and I'm gonna catch y'all at Harbor Freight, man. If you watched my last video, you saw my brake line pop that we still riding around with it clamped off. I ordered it, so I gotta wait for it to come. End up being some aftermarket kit for the 15-inch conversion, and I had a hard time finding it. So let's go see what type of impact gun we can get. We about to buy some bootleg stuff. I got my car hard on, so they look like I'm about to build a crib, but man, we just putting together a Hellcat. So,
Shut your stupid ass up!
got our little impact gun. They made me be a member, so I had to pay for that shit. They getting off on everybody in this joint, but let's say they're coming out with the membership. Look at the cat, man. Look at that Redeye hood.
Hellcats, SRCs, nigga, come.
Like I said, hardest cat incoming, so come on, we out.
Yeah, we sipping real high tech, man. Ain't that high? This a 41 millimeter.
All right, man, y'all see I just finished up the bloody seatbelts. We bloodied out in the show. I was waiting for boy. I've been talking to him for like 2 days. I'm gonna meet somebody for the airbags. That was a special surprise, man. We grabbed the bags, they in the trunk. I'm gonna show you once we get there. The only thing is it didn't come with a compressor, so I'm gonna have to buy a compressor and a tank. But I got the most important part, and that's the struts with the bags. So they look good. I gotta get airlines too, so we're not gonna be installing that today, but I'm ordering that stuff today, but I'm gonna show you the bags once we get to the crib. We'll also end up having a glow up SRT light, so I ended up grabbing that joint, so we about to slap that in right now. So it's looking like everything coming together, man, and I'm excited. The cat is about to be complete. Bags, SRT glow light. You see I got the Wraith lights. I just added the red seat belts. Everything coming together, man. Now I'm just trying to get all the little details right after I wrapped it. You see we got the Redeye hood, so we about to also install the colorful lights. So we're gonna do the airbag and the colorful lights today, and I'm ordering stuff for the bags, and we're gonna get that hopefully when the stuff come ASAP.
Oh, ooh, goddamn! How about with that chick, that shit hit like a ram? Goddamn!
Never did this steering wheel before, so hopefully this shit don't blow up in my face. Boy said I need this harness, so we about to try. Any one I did, I just changed steering wheels on like Infinities and shit, but it was always bolts here. This one look like you gotta push it, so hopefully I'm not pushing the wrong thing. Guys, don't be like me. Make sure you take the battery off. I'm a trained professional, so don't follow what you see on this page, because it's straight up backyard mechanics, but backyard mechanics while we know what we're doing. All right, we got the whole harness off. That's all of it right there. We about to try to plug this up. Everything should be plug and play, so let's get her done. All right, man, we got the harness on. You know, my little pup, anyway, I got all this new stuff in here. They're doing a 16. My drawing soggy. Clips breaking. I used the hand tool, but we ain't gonna worry about that. The bolt should still hold some of it. We're gonna be good. Let's plug this light on, and let's see if it works. I did all this harness stuff just to have this extra plug. So let's plug it up and see. All right, just turned this joint on with the key. I did not see no lights, bro. I swear, boy, just finessed me. I don't see nothing on there. Is it? All right, we got everything plugged up. I think it's just too bright out here. It do glow. I was about to be tight. I got too much stuff, man. I ain't even tell y'all about this. Carbon to match that and that. It's a little bit of a different carbon, but what I got right here completely sucks. So we're gonna upgrade to this one. This is the OEM carbon. This one is the aftermarket, but it's more shiny, so I like it. But got this for a good price, so eBay and Facebook, they need to ban me. We'll put it all in, man, look good. Everything matching for the most part. Just a little bit of a different carbon, but man, these leather dashes got my stuff poking out all crazy, but that's what it is. Definitely look good. All right, before we put a Redeye cluster, I just want to check my miles so I can write it down. Some people might be like, bro, you don't got no Redeye. Why you putting a cluster? You got the rims, you got the hood. Well, bro, it ain't about having a Redeye. I just like the way the Redeye look. And having 220 on the dash when every cat got 200, who's not going to want to do that? So I'm not going to go around saying it's a Redeye, but, yeah, man, I got 1,000 horsepower on E85. So, I could rep 220 on the dash and things like that. So, mind your business. All right, man, we got the regular one out. We wrote down the miles. Now we got the Redeye one, 220 on the dash, big 220. We about to hook it up. I don't know if the Redeye sound sure shows, or is it going to go capped by the computers in the car and stuff. So, I wrote down my miles right now. Write this down once I see it, and we'll know. And I'll keep track that way how many miles is on my car. Before we bolt it all up, let's just see if it pops up Redeye. No, that's a regular cat. So I'm good though. Oh, 20,000 miles though. Okay. Well, I got 220 on the dash. It doesn't show Redeye, but it's not a Redeye, so I'm not too disappointed about that. I see all my codes. Came right back. All right, man, everything all buttoned up. Got my carbon here. Carbon. 220 on the dash. I could say this interior is all complete. Got my glow up light. There you go. It's getting a little darker so you can see it. But I could say this interior is complete, man.
You just toe tagged him. Why you talking about my chain? Let your hoe ask me. 700 horses in a cat finna blow past him. I just made 100.
Man, it's been a couple days since we picked back up when we put everything on there. We about to try to put these lights on. This is my first time. I'm sure it's pretty easy, but it looked like a whole lot of wires. I definitely wish I could have tested them or seen them work, but let's just hope we plug everything up and they all work as it should, man. Because Facebook, they be getting off on you sometimes, man. All right, man, we got the bumper off. We just got to connect my whole main light. And we're going to get to taking these off.
Hey, 40 pounds ARPs, all we need now is the Drake. I'm respectful when I shoot, he with his folks, he get a...
All right, man, we got one headlight off. We're about to do this one. Good thing about doing an upgrade like this is you can sell your OEM headlights and get most of your money back. So it's a good upgrade. Definitely gonna make sure it works for at least a week or two before I try to sell mine stuff. I already had my mind settled on opening my OEM headlights and putting the kit in there. So it worked out that I found something for the low and we only gotta do that. So now we can just sell these. Before I put it all in my car, run the wire down, at least we'll make sure it works. So we're just gonna put the power to the negative. I got both lights connected to each other. And hopefully this should turn right on, right? So we're about to find out right now. I don't know. Need a little. That's where I messed up. It was in a box. All the wires were connected. I just connected like 3 of them. And then I decided I want to make sure they work. So I don't know if I put them back together right. We about to have to figure it out. I'm not putting it in the car. I gotta see it work first. I don't know if I got finessed or what, but I'm not seeing no sign of life from this Bluetooth. It's not even popping up. I know we got power, definitely. All right, so we pretty much got working. I was just flopping the things around. But as you can see, it's on. I think it got halos too, so I might have to mess with it a little more. But I know we got that one thing working. All right, so we got them on. What I'm having a hard problem with, y'all can see, is green there. We don't got no green here, and I can't even find out how to change this. It's not popping up. All right, man, no matter how I play with it, I can't really get the colors to change, and I can't control the green. So I don't know if boy got off on me or what. I'm about to take this out apart and see if the light bulb is messed up or something, but I feel like I got finessed. I ain't gonna lie, this sucks, because with it being used, I don't even know why it's not working. If it's the wire, and if it's the plug, if it's just box. All right, man, so I'm just gonna rock out the outside lines. I'm gonna get it looked at, but for right now, I'm just gonna plug that green light. A little disappointing because I wanted both, and I thought it'd be brighter, but it's definitely super sunny out here, so. Really tight, man. That green bulb would've went stupid. All pink with the pink wrap. But I gotta unplug it, man. So that's the last time we're gonna be seeing that for a while. I gotta unplug one of these. Honestly, it's 3, so I don't even know what the other one's supposed to do, man. I need to go do some research. This is not the last time. I'm definitely gonna be fixing it, but we're just gonna slap it together for now. Y'all definitely won't be keeping these, man. I'm gonna be posting them for sale, because look, this is red. I guess red is dead. I have yet to see pink. I'm really seeing blue, green, and like a teal. So that ain't gonna work out. And I'll be wrapping up the video pretty much here. We got the bags, but I need to get a compressor, I need to get airlines, so y'all gonna have to wait on that. That's gonna be next video. And we pretty much gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like at nighttime, and I'm gonna catch y'all next video, man. Enjoy the montage. So that's pretty much the headlights. I'm not really happy with it. I feel like I got scammed on a level, because it don't go red, it don't go pink, and pink is the color of my car. Like, that's the color I was looking forward to. So honestly, I might be selling those. I'm gonna just do it to my OEM ones, because I can't rock out like that. All right, man, I definitely got scammed. So I was driving, I started smelling something burning, got out the car, and the Bluetooth box started bubbling and was smoking all crazy. I just had to yank out the car. So I did some research. It said this, if all the colors don't work, it could be a box. I was already gonna order one, but damn, this should try to burn the cat down. So we unplugged it for now. We're gonna run no lights, but I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Thanks for tuning in, and bags is up next.